Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually form a limited liability company in the state of Missouri. Now obviously, guys, there are three different methods that are available that we're going to talk about and explore today in today's video. The first one is going to be how you can actually do it from the state website. The second one is actually how you can do it from a platform directly from A to Z that can get you the support and assistance. And the third is where you can speak to a actual attorney directly and see how you can actually get everything in a proper way. Now, the first thing that you need to do is head over to the Missouri official website, which is mo.gov. This is the official website. As you can see, there's all the information that you require from business, from homes and family, from work, government, education, health, safety, and outdoors. Now, if you look at work, you'll see the job seeking, employment, professional registration and licensing, training and certifications, workplace issues, injured workers, Missouri business portals. If you look for information, you can look for businesses, job seekers, veterans, individuals with disabilities, teens, college students, and moving to Missouri, as well as the state employees. Now, if you scroll down, you have all the up-to-date information about what is going on in the state. And that is one of the things I absolutely love about the state of Missouri, because it has a comprehensive set of elements available that can be easily reached and information that can easily be found. So let's head over to information and click on business, and you'll be able to see the amount of effort the state of Missouri has put in to help businesses set up. And that is one of the things that I absolutely love about this state, because you can start your business, you can manage your business, and you can grow your business, from steps for successful startups to registration, hiring employees, and state federal financial assistance with filing renewals and permits, as well as filing annual business reports and the support resources. There's different availability from hiring employees and posting a job opening as well. You can register your name, your business, and your limited liability company. You can even register your business for taxes and registration for the employer. All you need to do is click on register my business name, limited liability company, and all the other elements, and you'll be taken to the next page. Now, one of the things you have to keep in mind, guys, that if this is the first time that you're forming a limited liability company, is the fact that there is a lot of elements that you have to keep in mind. And there's a lot of legal requirements that need to be fulfilled before you can start doing business in the state of Missouri. There's a lot of elements that are taken into consideration. So for example, you can click over here for the steps for successful startups, and it'll take you to the next page. Now, this is a source link over here that gives you a complete guide step by step of what is required to start your business in the state of Missouri. Now, as you can see, you have the full information from evaluating your business ideas to developing entrepreneurial mindset, and obviously building your social network and planning your business, and building a lean canvas and registering your business, and buying a franchise, finding office spaces, starting a nonprofit, opening a business in Missouri. All the elements are available. Now, I always recommend for individuals to do their research and go in great detail before they step into this particular world. Now, if you find this overwhelming, you can always head over to this website, which is called inkfile.com, the fast, free, awarding, winning company where you can join 1 million business owners that have used Inkfile since 2004 to start up their limited liability companies. You can start a new business, which can be very stressful and expensive, guys, and there's a lot to do to file a limited liability company, varying from state requirements, and there are numerous steps and a lot of important documentation that leave plenty of room for errors and mistakes that can be costly. Now, obviously, once you look at and use Inkfile, you'll be able to pay a state fee for filing your business, but Inkfile doesn't charge any processing fee on top of it. Formation through Inkfile is free always, and you can choose to add on additional services with premium packages with no hidden costs or subscriptions, 100% free formation, the fastest filing speeds, and a free registered agent, as well as free compliance reminders. Remember, guys, Inkfile is a comprehensive set of services that has got you covered, from getting your employer identification number, which is like your social security for your business, and a business license, to submitting your annual report. Just choose the service to suit your situation as and when you need them. And annual reports, registered agents, virtual addresses, and EIN number, everything is available. Your business essentials are all in one place, guys. So get the reminders and compliance alerts to grow your business with additional services when you need them. And that is one of the things I absolutely love about Inkfile, because they understand what needs to be done and how it needs to be done. And if you want to start using Inkfile, just scroll down and click on Get Started. Now, Now, as you click on Get Started, you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be able to select the entity type and the state you want to form your entity in. So there's different entities that are available: the limited liability companies, the S corporation, the C corporations, and the non-profit. We're going to go with the limited liability company, and then we'll stick the state that we want in. So we're going to go down and select Missouri. As we select Missouri, we'll be given three options: the silver package, the gold package, and the platinum package. Now, as you can clearly see, guys, the state fee is $52, and this is the same for every single package. So what is the state fee? The state fee is what your selected state charges to file a new business entity, and this amount is passed through and goes 100% directly to the Secretary of State. Incfile does not keep any part of this fee. While on the other hand, you have your package fee. Now, the package fee is quite interesting because the package price covers the cost to create, prepare, and file all the required legal paperwork on your behalf to properly form your new business entity. It also includes the cost of additional services and products in your chosen package. If you go for the silver one, guys, you only need to pay $52 as a one-time transparent fee in preparation for filing of articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, and unlimited phone and email support. If you go for the gold one, you get the comprehensive features to get your business started at $251 with a one-time transparent fee of $199 for the package and $52 for the state fee. You get preparation and filing of articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, EIN business tax number, IRS form 2553, operating agreement, banking resolutions, lifetime company alerts, and an online access dashboard, unlimited phone and email support, and business banking account, as well as business tax consultation. But if you want to go for the platinum one, which is a full service features at the best value for $351 and a package fee of $299, you get business contract templates, free next day filing, domain name, business emails, and a preparation and filing of the article of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, EIN business tax number, IRS form, operating agreement, and all the other elements that are available in your silver and your gold. Now, my recommendation is always to everyone that is starting off for the first time and forming their limited liability company and do not have the proper know-how or knowledge about the legal requirement in the state of Missouri to go for the platinum, because the organization, the enterprise, the company has helped more than 1 million individuals, and they know exactly what basis to cover, so you do not face any legal problems in the future. But if you still want to speak to an attorney, if you still have questions and want to speak to a human being, you can always head over to LegalZoom, and with the legal help in the United States to form business formations, to wills and trust, and intellectual property, because attorneys are with you every step of the way. They've helped 2 million businesses already with 650,000 consultation, and they will refund their fee within the first 60 days if you're unhappy with the service. You can have the peace of mind knowing that your documentations have been legally recognized in every state, and you'll never need to leave home to work with a lawyer. There's no hourly charges, so no surprises, guys. And whether you need to form a company and apply for licenses and permits or get a tax ID, they'll set your business up for success. And all you need to do is select what sort of business you want to form. In this video, we're focusing on a limited liability company. So start your business with confidence, guys. Protect yourself and make things easy and save on taxes, because at the end of the day, all you need to do is tell your business name. If you've picked one, answer a few questions, and they'll complete and file the paperwork for you. It is that simple, straightforward, easy. And if you want to speak to an attorney and get the right guidance with an attorney by your side, you can always give them a call on this number during these times, and there's going to be someone that will help you, support you, and guide you. If you have any questions, guys, whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and to guide you as well. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, easy is to use these methodologies to set up a limited liability company in the state of Missouri. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.